first, second, third are examples of ordinal numbers. The secret to counting ordinal numbers in Haitian Creole is by knowing the key patterns and also the exceptions, which are usually 10th through 19th and the 70s and 90s. Now, if you have not watched our video on counting numbers in Haitian Creole, please do so because that will greatly help you in understanding how ordinal numbers work. Now let us begin with the very first ordinal number, premier. Premier is the Creole ordinal number for first. It occurs only once, only for the very first ordinal number. Now for every first ordinal number from 21st and up, such as 31st, 41st, and 51st, they end as entième. For example, 21st is 21e, 31st 31e, 41st 41e, 51st 51e, and so on. The only exceptions to this pattern are 71st and 91st. They end as 11e. And now for the 2nd through 9th pattern. The ordinal numbers 2nd to 9th repeat in patterns, except for 10th through 19th and the 70s and 90s. In Creole, the ordinal numbers 2nd to 9th are deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, and neuvième. So these numbers will continually repeat in patterns. For example, notice how these numbers repeat in the 20s. 22nd is 22e, 23rd 23e, 24th 24e, and so on. Now let us consider the 10th through 19th pattern. In Haitian Creole, the ordinal numbers 10th through 19th repeat only in the 70s and 90s. The Creole ordinal numbers from 10th through 19th are dixième, onzième, douzième, treizième, quatorzième, quinzième, seizième, dix-septième, dix-huitième, and dix-neuvième. For example, notice how these numbers repeat in the 70s. 70th is 70e, 71st 71e, 72nd 72e, 73rd 73e, and so on. And now finally, let us consider a pattern for every 10th number. In Creole, every 10th number from 20th and up ends as tième. Of course, the only exceptions to this are 70th and 90th. For example, because of this pattern, 20th is 20e, 30th is 30e, 40th is 40e, 50th is 50e, and so on. Now, writing ordinal numbers as figures is really simple. For only the very first ordinal number, or premier, simply put ye after 1. And for all other numbers, put m at the end. And that's it. Once you know these basic patterns, you are all set. For more videos and lessons like this, please subscribe and visit howtocreole.com. Thanks for watching.